different types of coal? Yes, different varieties of coal have different quality. The coal which has the highest carbon content is said to be the best among all coal types. Anthracite is the best coal with the highest carbon content. It is the oldest coal and is subjected to high pressure and temperature as compared to the other types of coal. What follows are bituminous coal and lignite. There are several subtypes in between these broad types depending on the carbon content. However, we will not be studying them in this lesson. You can look up some reliable sources in case this topic interests you. What we are going to look at now are the products obtained from coal after processing it in the industries. The three main products we will look at are coke, coal tar and coal gas. All these are very useful to keep the wheels of the modern times turning. Let us get to know them in some more detail. All these products are derivatives of coal. How do you think these products are derived? Well, a huge furnace that is oxygen-free is used for this purpose. Coal by itself has many impurities. Selective removal of these impurities with the help of high temperature and pressure gives us coke. Coke is less impure as has majorly carbon. And do you know why coke as a fuel is chosen over coal? Coke is a relatively clean fuel. It burns without little or no smoke at all. Coal burning, on the other hand, produces a lot of smoke. Therefore, coke is a pure form of carbon. It is tough, porous, and it is black substance like coal. It is used in manufacturing of steel and extraction of metals. What about the next product? What do you know about the coal tar? Tar would tell you about its consistency. Unlike coal and coke, it isn't a solid substance. It is a black and thick liquid and has an unpleasant smell. Do you know that the coal tar is a byproduct of the processing of coke? Yes, when coke is produced, the impurities we just spoke about are mainly coal tar and coal gas. Well, though coal tar seems fairly unuseful, it has various medicinal uses. It contains benzene, anthracene and phenol, which are the raw materials that help produce dyes, drugs and some explosives as well. It is also used to make perfumes. Ironic, isn't it? Nevertheless, it seems to be pretty useful. What about coal gas? When coal is processed to get coke, coal gas is released as a gas byproduct. This is a very useful byproduct though. Until the 18th century, it was used as fuel to light streets up in both London and New York. Coal gas is nowadays used for heating purposes rather than lighting. The advent of the incandescent bulbs led to coal gas not being used anymore for lighting purposes. On the brighter side, we are saving an important fossil fuel though. We have now learnt about coal and its derivatives. Another interesting fuel to learn about is petroleum. We will study about it in our coming videos. Petroleum and its formation too make an interesting watch. Stay tuned.